I'm not a lawyer, but Young Thug's attorney wants this guy severed from the YSL RICO case. Let's talk about it. So in case you need a recap, the state of Georgia brought a RICO case against Young Thug and 27 other defendants back in May of 2022. Since then, 19 defendants have been severed from the trial, which is still only in jury selection. And this week, Young Thug's attorney, Brian Steele, has asked that this guy be the 20th defendant severed from the trial. His name is Cordarius Dorsey, and according to the indictment, his involvement in this RICO stems from... So Cordarius has been exhibiting extra movements throughout jury selection and the entire process, which the judge called out last week.
Noticing, and he's done that the entirety of this particular proceeding. So you haven't said anything up to this point in time, so I'm going to assume that that's something that you and he are working through.
And after calling it out, Brian Steele, who again is Young Thug's attorney, said he was going to file a motion to have Cordarius severed from the trial.
Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Steele.
I'll put it in writing, and I'm going to file a motion to sever if that conduct continues Mr. Dorsey, because I believe it's going to prejudice Mr. Williams in front of the jury.
You're welcome to file whatever you feel necessary, Mr. Steele.
According to this tweet by Thugger Daily, that motion was filed, and it says that Mr. Dorsey has, quote, displayed unprofessional and unacceptable conduct in court, and that basically it could prejudice or influence the jury. And because they're all wrapped up in one trial, that influence and that prejudice could impact Young Thug and really all the defendants. So that is their basis for having Cordarius severed from the case, but it was just a motion, so we're going to have to see how the judge rules on this one. What y'all think?